Adding events inside of Microsoft Outlook is actually really easy. There's a couple of ways that we can do it, and I'm going to show you using Outlook Web Access because that's a pretty common way that you can use Outlook, and you can access it from any computer. Now, if you're using the desktop app or the mobile app, it may look a little different, so bear with me, but I want to show you how. Now, there's two ways that we can do this. Number one is I can come under New. If I click New, it's just going to give me a new email. But I have a little drop down here. And I can say New Calendar Event. Or I can go up to my upper left-hand side and I have 9 small squares. I'm going to click here, choose Calendar, and this is going to take me to my calendar view. And I can see all my different events and events for other calendars that I've subscribed to. And what this does is it allows me to come in here and simply add a new event by clicking on an empty space. And when I do that, I get a couple of things. Number one, I get to name my event. Sample event. Number two, I can type in my location. Now, in some cases, like one place I used to work, we had all of our meeting rooms set up and you could pick it from there. So it made it really easy to reserve a room that way. Now, we don't have this set up here, so I can simply say, I want to meet in the library, or I might meet in my office, or I might meet on Zoom. I pick a starting and ending time, and it already knows the date because of the date that I selected, and it will automatically fill in my starting and ending time based upon the time slot that I select. If I want to change it, maybe I missed it, I can say, no, I want this to start at 3:15. Notice it automatically push my end time back by 15 minutes. And it's going to go till 5 o'clock. I can then click on more details if I want, or save if this is everything I need. Now, clicking on more details is really interesting because it pops us up with all the information we had, but it lets me do a couple of new things. On my right-hand side, I have people, and this is where I can add additional people and use a scheduling assistant if I need to. We're going to talk about that more later on. But down here, it gives me a couple things I really want to know. Do I want to repeat? We're going to talk about that later. Reminders, those are always good to have, unless you know in 15 minutes. I can also add an email reminder. How do I want to show my calendar? Is it busy? And then I can put a description here. This becomes really helpful because I can add a description of what is it I'm supposed to do, more than just having an event or meeting with someone. I can also, at the top, add an attachment. So if I have, like I need to work on a document for a project, I can go in here, attach the project notes or project requirements, and then it's all bundled together. I don't have to go looking in this place and that place and that place. It's all in one place for me. And this is how we set up a basic event inside of Outlook. All I have to do now is click Save, and we're done. Really easy. We like that. Next up, we'll show you how to edit events and how to add people to them, and a few other neat little tools and tricks. So stay tuned for that.